Buddy, welcome to the Sunday morning shit show that is my current existence with what's being done to my children in Clinton County Family Court. I got a document in the mail yesterday from this legal genius. Cheryl Maxwell Esquire, attorney for the subject children and guardian ad lackey for Clinton County Family Court. This is the church lady with discriminatory tendency and bias against men, just for starters. But no, she's actually really stupid. But she did me a huge favor. I mean, she made my case. She made my case once again for me. This idiot doubles down on the fact that this judge can do whatever he wants to do, and Maxwell goes right along with it. Now remember, Maxwell was appointed in 2018 at the convenience of, guess who? Timothy J. Lawless. Lawless took these steps and got rid of the other guardian ad litem and inserted this one because she's a true, bend over backwards kind of girl for the court. This is their go-to person when they need something rubber stamped. And it's going to be a pleasure to interview her in court. Now, she's considered an expert witness and an officer of the court. So her willingness to double down, on all of this, when she is an attorney and she knows that the rules for conflict of interest are the appearance of impropriety. It's not up to me to prove why this judge should recuse himself. It's the mere appearance of impropriety that dictates this. And once again, these people all sat there on June 17th with 25 to 30 people in the courtroom, 10 of whom were attorneys. 3 of those attorneys had to recuse themselves before the proceedings could go any further because of prior relationships with different clients. One of them was me. An attorney I forgot that had even, represented me at any point in time was in the courtroom. Anyway, let's look at this. I'm going to read you, once again, what Cheryl Maxwell says. So, you can take a little look out there at Lake Champlain if you want. My backyard's all torn up, but, life goes on. It says, during this conference as well, respondent chose to be as disrespectful of the parties and the court as he had been during the initial appearance. Respondent made comments such as, I did not attempt to contact Ms. Maxwell at all. I'm afraid it will be construed incorrectly and she'll come up with some bullshit thing that I said wrong. So I'd rather, go play in traffic than talk to Ms. Maxwell. And I tell her, you have no interest in what's best for my daughters. You just have interest in punishing me. No, I'm not attacking just you. I'm attacking all of you. Let's be clear. I'm attacking all of you. You're all guilty of, and I say fucking perjury. This tirade went on for some time until the court intervened, saying, all right, Mr. Maiden, you're interrupting. Mr. Maiden, you're interrupting the court. I'm trying to be civil and you're being uncivil toward the court, especially with your comments with respect to it. I'm not going to put up with it any longer. I tried to listen to you as to what your settlement is with respect to it. No resolution could be arrived at, of course. No resolution is ever arrived at where somebody's just going to allow me to make a phone call to my children. I didn't meet some half-ass standard, it's all just, as my attorney politely says, animus. But the judge goes on to say it takes 4 people to agree, basically, letting me know that there's no way I'm going to beat him and Crookshank and Maxwell. There's no way. They just, run some bullshit up the flagpole, they all salute it, and then they agree to use it against me and against my children. Anyway, so, like I said, I fully took advantage of the situation while this was going on because I knew it was probably going to be my only opportunity to do so. So, when I was in the courtroom, now Judge Smarty Pants is sitting up in his office. He doesn't want to come down because COVID's going on and everything, which is really pretty funny too. But, so I blistered him. I say, this is from page 7 of Maxwell's document.